Go outside with Daddy. Open the door. There's something for you out there. Take a look.
Oh, yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
What is it?
My new bike.
Yeah, it's a new bike. You want to try and get on? Wow. Really good. Can you help him turn, Daddy?
Yeah.
Really
Turn
good,
that way,
Kai.
Ready?
It's like a perfect fit.
Cool. You're cool.
Turn, turn, turn. Good.
It got a zip tuck on it.
Yeah, like that. On your
And look.
hand.
A digger. Oh, and I think there's a cement truck there.
Yeah.
And a dump truck there.
And another one there.
Yeah. You like it?
Yes.
That's good. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you're inspecting it head to toe.
Push. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Oh, push. There you go. See? There you go.
It's coming off the seat though. Okay. Good job. You avoided the car, buddy. Good steering. Okay.
Good.
Good
Wow.
job.
How was that?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yay.